arată.
Nu cred.
Bă, da.
We have electricity.
Old school.
Aha.
A luat, ăsta e hornul alb.
Ți-a zis că închid bine. Stai eu. Da, trebuie închid bine. Tu vrei să pui tot ăla? Acum lăsăm să ardă afară, mai interesant.
We saw how it's burning. So over here you put a carbide. In this tank you put water, and when you open up, this is a water tap. When you open up the water will flow in this container where you have the carbide, and it will take out acetylene that is passing this and coming out on the top over here. But what I want to do, I have also a stoplight on acetylene. I will need to drill another hole and take out acetylene that will go to my stoplight on the motorcycle. I intend to use this on a motorcycle. So let's see how that is done. And also here I've got a very bad repair on this that I want to brace a little better. some water in now. Nothing yet. Let me try with my right hand. It has started. I think this is too much pressure. And now let's close the front. We have a clean mirror now. Looks better. Let's see if it's still blowing out acetylene anywhere around here. Ooh, this is getting hot over here. The reaction of the carbide. Looking very good. But next thing, after I get this running good, will be to take acetylene to the rear and see if I get acetylene on the stoplight, if it will burn very nice, the same. Whoa, look at this. I'm ready to check now how the tail light will get acetylene from the headlamp. As you saw, I inserted a copper duct into the acetylene place and tried to take it to the rear lamp. I was putting carbide inside of this, so now I will mount it on. It's a tricky thread over here, and release some water in it to get some acetylene. I will first fire up the headlamp, and after I will try to fire up also the stoplight. This is the outlet that I was taking to the stoplight. Now I will let some water in it and fire it up. Easy. Yes! The stop light is working. The front light is working. Beautiful. 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 Just look at the stop light. Ha 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 ha. Close this down. Look at this beauty. It's making strange sounds. Hear it? Let's see how it looks in the dark. Is it still burning in the front?
Yes.
Yes. More water. Look at the back one. It's smoking. It's too much, huh? We'll take a little bit out. Look at it. Oh, it's smoking here. Tell you it's smoking here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at her. Look at her. This is not getting too hot. It's very good.